Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering how to take full control of your money and finally become debt-free? Well, Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover is the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Let's break down the key steps from this powerful book that's helped millions build real financial freedom. Step 1. Save $1,000. Emergency Fund. Your first goal is to build a mini emergency fund. Just $1,000. Fast. This gives you breathing room so that unexpected costs won't derail your progress. Step 2. Pay off all debt using the debt snowball method. List all your debts, from smallest to largest, and attack the smallest one first. As each debt disappears, your confidence grows. It's not about math, it's about momentum. Step 3. Build a fully funded emergency fund. Now, take your focus and build 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This is your financial safety net for job loss, medical issues, or unexpected life events. Step 4. Invest 15% of your income in retirement. Start investing, but only after you're debt-free and your emergency fund is full. Put 15% of your income into Roth IRAs or 401ks. Step 5. Save for your children's college fund. If you have kids, plan ahead. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 529 plans to build their future. Step 6. Pay off your home early. Now you're winning big. Time to go after your mortgage. Pay extra. Become 100% debt-free, including the house. Step 7. Build wealth and give generously. Once you're financially free, your mission isn't over. It's just beginning. Now you can invest, build wealth, and give generously to others. Dave Ramsey's message is simple. You can live without debt, but it takes discipline, focus, and a plan. The Total Money Makeover isn't about quick tricks. It's about changing your mindset forever. So, are you ready to start your own money makeover? Like this video, if you learned something helpful, subscribe for more personal finance tips and book summaries every week.